Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this 2019 Coachmen Catalina. Coachmen's been around for a long time, about 53 years this company's been around. Did great jobs on building products the way you want them to be built. These are a wood frame coach with a corrugated aluminum on the outside. They're built the way they've been built for years and years. It's the right way to build them, where they have great insulation and they're a low cost. So it's a great deal. This is a bigger 29-footer with big slide outs and everything on it. So we'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. It's a 293 RLDS model 2019 Coachmen Catalina. Regarding slide outs, you're going to have some nice big slide outs that are going to be opposing each other, which makes this whole room in here so nice and open. You've got your refrigerator in the slide out on this side, a little bit of electric fireplace right there, which puts out some nice heat. It's also real attractive. Your entertainment system we have right here, and on the other side of that's going to be an outside entertainment area or an outside kitchen. We'll take a look when we're done and see if I can get that open for us. You do have a nice big rear lounge, so when you're sitting here you've got really open floor plan. You can kind of see everything. The TV can be viewed from across in that area and the dinette, but also right in this area too, because you can move that TV. Very open setup, very nice layout. These have the new 19s, have a new lighter kind of color interior. A little bit of a gray hue to it, kind of a taupe-ish gray. Real nice. The seats over here are going to be recliners, I believe, if I recall sitting on them the other day. You just kind of push them out. And once you have them a little bit more forward, you can have these up reclined nicely and be able to view the TV right across from that. You've got a view here on my side and on the other side over there too. Nice windows everywhere around. Like a rear lounge gives you a lot of visibility and a lot of entertaining space here when you have company. So again, the island we have here has got great counter space. So you've got the double sink here with these little covers, which makes it real nice. I like what they've done now with these more solid residential type feel faucets and everything. I like it really well. So that's a real nice feature for 2019. They have more of a residential look to them on the ovens here with the glass and the glass top here as well too, that folds up out of the way. Makes it real nice. You got more counter space. The counter space here, again, you can kind of sit and talk to everybody around. It's really nice and open layout. Microwave, refrigerator is easy to get to. A little bit of storage above here that you have as well. And then into the bathroom, it's really easy to get to right here out of the main living area. So you've got a rounded garden type style shower there and a medicine cabinet, sink down below, and foot pedal flush toilet, a little skylight. It's well lit bathroom for more of a gray day we have out here today. But really nice light in there. Naturally, you got doors separating the master suite as well too. Instead of a little pocket door, it's nice to have that full door there. And you got all this extra space in the bedroom, which is really nice and open. You have good shirt hanging closets on both sides. You have the overhead storage here. You have a little bit of places there to set things next to the bed if you need to, and plug-ins as well. These are more shirt closets on both sides here. Then you also have some drawers, and you have this cupboard space in down below here. So if you wanted to put a really large TV, maybe you could mount it here and plug it in, or just have it freestanding if you'd rather. Depends on what you like to do. And then you've also got some more storage in here for hanging in place, as well as down below too. So makes it real nice. New floor plan this year. I think it's going to sell real well. It's a really popular model. Linoleum floor that goes all the way through the whole home. And then you'll have a little bit of carpeting that's going to be in that area where the dinette is, table and chairs, and the two seats over there. So again, very open floor plan. Let's go do some of the features on the outside here. What we're stepping in and out of nowadays is these solid steps and everything, so they're going to be really, really rigid and convenient, and just a real nice pleasure to walk up in and out of. It's really stable, and they have a little deeper platform, that first step getting in and out. Makes it real nice and safe. And you've got good size opening door here. You're going to have your awning that will cover over the this slide out over here too, which makes it really nice big awning patio area. You're going to have a storage here that'll go through to that part of the side over there, and then they're probably going to have a tank or a hot water heater on that other area. Apologize, I haven't seen that. We'll see when we get around the other side. As we go back through here, they do have the outside kitchen. It is locked right now because it's a fresh unit for us, but when we go open that up, typically there'll be a refrigerator and a little cook stove, and then also a sink. So if you have questions about that, you can call me at the end of this video at that phone number, and I'll be able to tell you what's inside there. I apologize not having that key. It's a special lock key for that. But again, going on the outside, your awning's quite large for that patio. You've got your spare tire mount here, and it's got a heavy duty rack and pinion on your slide out mechanism there, so it's real heavy duty. And again, big windows all the way around this whole coach, make it really, really nice. It's got heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners. It is, again, a 293 RLDS by Coachmen. It is a Catalina series, a legacy edition, so it's got nicer trim levels on the inside, some other features that are really nice that I showed you on the inside. If you have any more questions about this unit right here, or any of the videos and inventory that we have here at Guarantee, give me a call. The number at the end of this video is my cell number, or at least a toll-free number, and my cell number is 541-521-3642 if you had any questions you wanted to directly get to me about. That'd be fine. Appreciate it. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it is an RV show every day.